My name is Lauren Dunphy, and I am the Vice President of People Practices at Shake Shack. Before we started working with EasyLlama, we did not have a compliance solution that was meeting the needs of all of our team members in the 32 states in which we operate. We knew at this point in our trajectory that we really needed to partner with a content provider that really helped us stay compliant in all of the states in which we do business, but also in a fun, engaging way that aligns with our brand. EasyLlama offers a hospitality version and a restaurant version of its training so that when our team members are able to engage with EasyLlama training, they see a diverse mix of actors, it feels like they're in a restaurant setting, and it does not feel overly corporate, which really wouldn't resonate with our learners. It was really easy for us to get up and running with EasyLlama. At first, we started using the EasyLlama dashboard and learning platform before we started to integrate into Workday. And it was very user-friendly and intuitive. And any special needs that we had, we were able to work with the customer team to make sure that we were able to pivot really quickly to make sure that we got the training stood up for our 12,000 plus team members across the country. For Shake Shack, one of our real values is standing for something good and making sure that we are taking care of all of our team members across the country and really across the globe. EasyLlama's training, specifically the harassment prevention training, has enabled us to teach our team members all the things that they should not be doing in the workplace so that we're really taking care of each other first and foremost when we come to work. Some of the early feedback that we received from many of our field leaders is how realistic and relatable the training feels. Again, it's a diverse cast of characters, the scenarios are relatable, and the in-the-moment knowledge checks and quizzes really help that self-paced learner engage with the tool. Compared to the training that we had in the past that was sort of homegrown and more rudimentary, the EasyLlama learning really feels professional and engaging, and that has been the feedback that we've received from our teams. EasyLlama gives us the ability to see in near real time who has completed the training, who still needs to complete the training, and where we might be overdue. For Shake Shack, it is really critical that we are staying compliant with laws in all of the states in which we do business. So it's really important for us to keep our finger on the pulse to make sure that the training is being completed in a timely manner by all of our team members. What's really great about EasyLlama is there are courses that meet the needs of all of the states in which we operate. So some of those more restrictive states like New York and California, and some of those less restrictive states like Texas and Florida, there's a solution for all of the locations in which we do business. And EasyLlama really makes it easy for us to make sure that we are staying compliant with the law because they are so diligent in making sure that their content is compliant with the law. The automated reminders are a huge benefit, specifically for our people resources and our learning team. That takes the manual aspects of reminding our team members to complete the training completely out of the mix. So no longer do we need to be sending those emails, reminding people or tapping them on the shoulder. EasyLlama does that for us in an engaging way across our teams. We really like the fact that EasyLlama saves our learners spot. So if they're taking a longer version of a training and they can only take it in 15-minute increments, The tool knows where they stopped and where they need to pick back up and continue. What's also an added bonus feature with EasyLlama is our learners can't navigate away from that EasyLlama learning page without the training stopping. So this makes sure that we are staying compliant so that our teams are taking the training all the way through to completion. The biggest impact is knowing that 100% of our team members are enrolled in and complete harassment prevention training. And this is the number one thing that we can do to make sure that we're taking care of our teams in all of our Shack locations and at our home office. And we're really proud to be able to offer this training to our team members. By partnering with EasyLlama, we have saved countless hours in researching employment legislation, in assigning training manually, and really making sure that we are getting the required compliance training out to our team members. It's also phenomenal that EasyLlama is continuing to stay on the pulse of compliance-related content that organizations like Shake Shack need. So very often when we get a request for training from our teams, we're able to reference the EasyLlama library and utilize off-the-shelf training to meet our team's needs, which has been really impactful for us. I would recommend EasyLlama for two reasons. Number one, it is engaging and dynamic. And number two, it is compliant. So we feel really great about the content that we are sharing with our teams, that not only is it going to teach them something in an engaging and interactive way, but it is also compliant with the law.